Okay, good morning everybody. So today I'm doing a couple of recipes featuring stuff that we've grown in the garden here in Elmo. So one of the things that I was going to cook today was utilizing all those carrots that we planted. So there's still plenty of carrots out in the garden. If you need any or you want some, you're always welcome to go pick your own. So this here is about 6 carrots that I picked this morning. It's about 2 cups worth, and I'm gonna make carrot and ginger soup. The other thing that I was gonna make today, it's a recipe that I kind of modified. It comes from Sean Sherman's book, Indigenous Kitchen, Sioux Chef's Indigenous Kitchen, and it's braised sunflower. So I thought that was really cool. I didn't know that you could actually eat sunflower heads. So we're gonna try and cook that today and see how it goes. I've never cooked a sunflower head before, but hopefully it'll go well. And supposedly these taste like artichokes, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna just demo the breakdown. So it says to peel off, all the petals, all the green petal parts, the yellow petals. So I'm gonna start peeling those off. And while I'm breaking this down, I have a pan here. I'm gonna put on medium heat. I have like a third of a yellow onion, some fresh sage leaves in here. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And so I'm just going to saute these onions until they're translucent, and then we'll add the sunflower head to that. And so now I'm just going to kind of cut off the yellow part of the face of the sunflower, and you want to leave the meaty part behind. So his recipe, he called to cook for sunflower oil, which you could, definitely add more of the sunflower flavor. I didn't have any sunflower oil, so I'm just going to do this recipe with canola oil. This is a giant sunflower head. So we have quite a few sunflowers out there in the garden. So we'll have sunflower seeds eventually. But also, if you want to try this recipe at home, you can come and take one of our sunflower heads and try it out yourself. Trim the yellow face of the flower, removing just the yellow, leaving the meat, and then trim off the stem. Trim the stem off. got that stem off, got the yellow part off, so this is kind of what we got to work with, this kind of bare looking sunflower head. So I'm gonna wait till the onions are translucent. Then I will add the sunflower head to this pot. In the meantime, for our carrot soup, I have yellow onion diced up here, and I have like 4 cloves of garlic that I just smashed. I didn't even chop them up, put them in here to saute. I'm waiting for these onions to get translucent too. And I will add the carrots. Alright, so these onions are pretty soft. I'm going to go ahead and add our carrots now. Let those carrots get kind of soft. Also, I was going to demo real quick how to break down ginger, because we're going to put fresh ginger in our carrot soup. So you could take a knife to kind of slice off the skin of the ginger, but it's actually pretty easy if you just take a spoon and you just kind of scrape along the ginger. It comes off a lot easier, and then you don't lose as much of the meat of the ginger like you would if you were using a knife. Dice this up with some. And it does say to grate the ginger, but since we're going to blend this soup anyways to make it smooth, I'm just going to kind of dice it up small. So these onions and sage are all cooked down. I'm going to add the sunflower with the face down. Just a little bit in there. There we go. And we'll just let it saute like that for a few minutes. So I'm going to take a spoon and kind of ladle some of these onions on top. Turn this down a little bit. A little high. Here. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of water. So we'll just add that to our sunflower. We're going to cover it, put the heat on low, and we'll just kind of let it cook like that for about 30 to 40 minutes. So that's called braising it. So it'll get soft. So we'll just leave it like that. And while we wait, we'll do the carrot soup. Some of these carrots are starting to get soft. So, we're going to add the ginger. We're going to use some apple cider vinegar. So, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then in this guy over here, I have 4 bouillon cubes, chicken bouillon cubes. It called for vegetable broth, but I didn't have any, so we're just doing chicken broth. So I'm just using those bouillon cubes for broth. Add that in there. And then in. So we're gonna let this heat back up, put it on a simmer, and then let it cook like that for a little bit till the carrots are soft. Okay, so our carrots have been simmering. They're pretty soft now. So I think we can go ahead and blend up this mixture and then check on our sunflower real quick. It's getting real soft. This is a sunflower head. Can you believe it? So we'll let that one cook a little bit longer, I think. But it's doing good, doing its job. It's getting soft. It's starting to get kind of brown too. The white part turned brown. Okay, so for this one, we are gonna put it in the blender over here. Okay. Yeah, you can turn it off. Okay, hold on. And then I don't want you to get hit by hot carrots, so make sure that goes in there. Blend it. Wait. Oh, that could have been a disaster. Alright, that looks pretty good. We can pour it back in the pot. We just let it put it on simmer while we wait for the sunflower to finish. Perfect. Good job, Kyla. And I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper to it. Black pepper, a little bit of salt. You can stir that up, Kyle. Very fall. Braise the heads until tender, about 40 minutes. So it's been around 30 minutes. It is like cuttable. I don't know, I've never cooked this sunflower head before. It's cuttable. I don't know, I guess we just try it? Yeah. Okay. We'll say it's done because I can cut it with a wooden spoon, so we'll just try it that way. It kind of looks like a pie, doesn't it? Add a little bit of salt to these.
And I don't have my photos me to the picture. Look at this.
Oh, higher.
That?
Yep, so that's our sunflower.
Sunflower.
Kind of looks like a little pie. And then show them the soup. Our carrot soup up higher. So hold it like this. Yep, that's our carrot soup. Nice and beautiful and orange.